Why log PMS symptoms?
Tracking PMS symptoms in period tracker apps can help you recognize patterns, predict upcoming symptoms, and communicate effectively with healthcare providers. Consistent logging offers valuable insights into your health, allowing you to make better lifestyle adjustments and proactively manage discomfort.
Choosing the right period tracker app.
Look for a period tracker app that includes detailed symptom logging features. Popular apps often allow you to record not just your cycle dates, but also mood changes, physical symptoms, and lifestyle factors. Browse app reviews and explore symptom tracking options that fit your needs and preferences.
Setting up your symptom logging.
Once you've chosen an app, navigate to the symptom logging section. You might see options for logging cramps, headaches, mood swings, cravings, and more. Customize the symptom list if possible, ensuring it covers your personal experiences of PMS.
How to log symptoms effectively.
Log symptoms daily or as they appear. Be specific. Note the intensity, duration, and any patterns you notice. Some apps let you add notes for extra details. Over time, this consistent logging provides a clearer picture of your symptom cycles and can reveal helpful trends.
Using your data to manage PMS.
Review your log data regularly. Many apps offer charts or reports that summarize your symptoms. Use these insights to anticipate symptoms, prepare self-care strategies, and discuss your experiences with a healthcare provider if needed. Tracking empowers you to manage PMS more confidently,